Hey, what is up, YouTube? It is a Tech Drift here with a brand new video for today. Today I want to show you how you can reset your network settings on an iPhone 12 running iOS 26. You go into settings. From there on, if you go on to go ahead into General. Reset. Hit reset right here, and you go ahead and do your reset your network settings. That is how you would reset your network settings.